KMeet is an application that is used to record and track business meetings. The primary purpose of KMeet is to maintain a consolidated tracker of all meetings held between relationship managers or RMs and product sales managers or PSMs with clients. These trackers can be reviewed by the supervisors and used for weekly MIS reporting. The RMs and PSMs can input all the meeting details, such as call type, client representative met, date of meeting, type of referral, and opportunity of product level in KMeet on a daily basis. Moreover, it has a section wherein RMs or PSMs can input a detailed description of the meeting as a personal note. Using KMeet, actionable items can be tagged and assigned to a specific person directly through the application. Also, opportunity, if any, can be captured for clients. As soon as meeting details or call details are submitted, the supervisor gets informed by a mail alert. It also allows users to check reminders through the calendar option.